guys, welcome back to my channel, and I just wanted to share this project because I was sick and tired of seeing these countertops. I hate them, hate them. The colors just, I'm trying to get away from browns too, and I was thinking instead of paying $1,000, you know what, I could put some resin on this. Once you start playing with resin, you want to resin everything. Anyway, I did go with stone coat countertops. I like the resin. It's scratch resistant, heat resistant. Not that this is a high traffic area in the bathroom, but I wanted it up there because I am experimenting and because I am going to do my kitchen. It's just a matter of time. So I use the Frogtape to tape up everything. Make sure you tape everything good. You don't want resin falling down into the sink or on your cabinets or floor or anything like that. So I taped up, I used everything with a Frogtape. Worked out very well in a very thin piece of plastic. This is the undercoat that I'm putting for the white because I am going for a marble effect. And, you know, I'm excited. This is the first time I've done it. They provide so many videos and so much good information. I felt that they were there holding my hand, so thank you. So again, these are my ugly countertops. And don't worry about the paint on the wall because I will fix that later. And again, remember, I'm trying to get away from all these browns. So again, I got these at Lowe's. These little, and they're not even that much either. And the tape, not that much either. So when the countertops, I did clean them down. You might see some alcohol was sitting there. So I did use a little bit of alcohol. I wanted to make sure they get nice and clean. Oh, they're so ugly. I'm so glad we got it. Wait till you see it. But I hate these kind. And that's what I have in the kitchen too. So that's going to be out the door soon. And again, I was trying to do this between my husband not being home. I had about 3 days. So I did not take the faucets out. I totally recommend taking the faucets out because it's a pain in the freaking culo trying to get, trying to cut around the resin. It didn't like it. So yeah, I have the Vaseline there too. That's for the undercoat area. So I didn't want the resin to stick. But here I am trying to paint around these faucets, and then I had to tape it up really good as well. But again, not recommended. I would just take the faucets out if you can. If not, you can just like jerry rig it like I did. So here we go with the coating. I did use that little brush. I don't know if you saw that. That is, kind of forget the name of it, but I will put it below because I'll go back and look and see what it was. But it does a good job. But there's a lot of areas that I wanted to make sure that was super white. So I went back with my little paintbrush and I was painting the different areas. I think I did a total of maybe 3 coats on it to make sure that I got the nice white look that I was looking for. Again, this is going to be a marble effect, so it's going to be mostly white with the marble spray on top of it and a little bit of glitter as well because I kind of want that quartz look, and believe me, it worked out in the end, and this was good practice for me. So here's another coat. I think I did one more coat after this because I wanted to make sure it's super white, but you can see everything there too is taped up. It's ready for the resin when I finally get to it. So this right here is the spray paint that I use. I did order it from Lowe's. So it's the marble effect. It's so beautiful. I use the gray and the white, but the white marble effect, you can't really see it here. So mainly the gray you see. So I did go around the spraying the areas. I did not put plastic on the back wall. I should have because I felt like I had to be very careful in the areas that I went. But this went on nice and smooth. It looks really beautiful. There's areas that are kind of condensed with the spray, I guess, again because I was trying to be careful not to get sprays all over the wall. So there's the glitter that I used. I just put it down and just moved it around with the brush to where I felt comfortable with it because I learned on a previous one that I mixed the glitter in with the resin and it kind of pulled in different areas as you pour resin on. I didn't really like it, so I decided to put the glitter down and I was just moving it around the brush, and then I came back and used a clear spray to hold it in place when I put my resin down. So that actually worked out really, really good because nothing moved, everything stayed nice and even, very beautiful. The same thing when I was doing this, so I'm putting the glitter down, I was thinking to myself, there's areas that I felt like the marble was too dense. I didn't really like it, so I was trying to figure out how I was gonna fix it. And the good thing about this is like you can go back and fix this at any time you want. You can change things up. So as I'm looking around, I'm spreading the glitter, I was thinking that I can probably use the white paint again and just put it in the areas that I don't like. Which at first I didn't know if that was gonna work or not, but it worked out really, really well. But here you can see I'm still taking glitter and moving it around. and making sure it's blending good. I just want to make sure it gets a nice good look, and you can see the glitters there. It's very nice. So remember I was talking about the areas that are too dense with marble? I just took a little bit of paint like that on the paintbrush and just dabbed it in the areas that I thought maybe it just kind of looked overcrowded for me. And when I dabbed it was really cool because it gave it kind of a depthness when I put the resin down. It looks really good, almost like, I don't know, it looked really awesome. I'm very proud of myself. I'm patting myself on the back. But yeah, see, this area right here is too dense for me. So I was like, okay, let's kind of tone it down. And doing this right here is really nice because I kind of brought it out and I spread it through different areas. Again, this is a type of art so you enjoy, and it's my self time, my me time. So it was good. So you can see all the different areas, and I keep stepping back to take a better look because I want to see from another angle and not so close because I was holding my camera while I was doing this. Here's the stone coat countertop resin. I did mix it for 3 minutes, but then I let it set for another 5 minutes maybe while I was working on other little things, making sure everything's ready to go. And this is what it looks like. I poured the resin, waited about 12 hours, then came in and checked it. Looks beautiful, beautiful. You know, and these pictures and videos do it no justice. It gives the bathroom a whole complete different feel, different look. Now I feel like I don't even want to do the cabinets because it blends in so well. And I think this is what I'm going to go for in my kitchen. But look at that. I swear it looks like quartz. Sinks are dirty. Still got to clean them up. I just put everything back on so I can do a little video. I did do 2 layers, so it took me a little bit longer. And I was scarce on the second layer, so there's like a little bumpy area, but I know what I did. I didn't use enough resin because I was trying to be greedy and save the resin. So don't be greedy like me. Pour the resin out that you need. Make sure you get a nice layer, and then it's going to come out beautifully. But it's fine. It's nothing, you know, something maybe I noticed. I don't think anybody else might notice that. But look how beautiful it is. It's really beautiful. Love, love, love it. And I'm happy that I experimented. And I also, with my husband's help, did my mother-in-law's kitchen. I'm going to have to upload that video or send pictures. But yes, we did her kitchen and it came out beautiful. Look how pretty that is. Saves thousands and thousands of dollars. And not only that, you can go back and change this up. It just takes a lot of time. So don't get me wrong. This took some hours, so don't think it's something like poof, I'm done. So it does take a little while. And I wanted to mention the winner from last month. Winner is RS. So here's your gift. I will put my website on the bottom. You can contact me there at customer service. So contact me so I can get your information and send out your gift, which I love this ocean heart. So please like, subscribe, and follow, and I can put you into the drawing for next month. Take care.